how to install and register finger connect the lock to your smartphone. Okay, this is 18.5 by 14.5 lock body, and also it can work for this lock body. Now let's install 18.5 lock body. Make the wire go through the holes of the square hole. Go through square hole, and now go through another side handle, the hole, the square hole. Be careful, don't break the wire and the head. Now install the screw. Look, there are two screws. Install this screw here. Now look, there are 4 pieces, AAA battery. Okay, look, connect this head to this head. Connect now. Be careful, don't push it so heavily, maybe it will break it. Now look, here, stuck it. Install the screw. Okay, now this lock body installed. Look, this lock body is different. Latch and deadbolt, that work together. Look, you can unlock by finger. Look, finger. You can also unlock by password and unlock by card. Okay, and also unlock by key. Rotate the key and press handle. Very simple. Take the key down. Let's connect the lock to the phone. You need to download the application. The name is Tuya Smart. This is the application. Let me change the language of the application. The application has many languages. Look, you can choose the language of you often speaking. Now I make it English, and also there is Russia, Japan, Espanol, Portuguese, and Turkish, and Korean, and Arabic, you know, and many language, and Francis. Okay, now English. Now enter again the applications. Now touch the plug sign and the device, and now touch the key pen, light up, and you will see the lock is here. Touch end. Okay. So it can be found there are 2 locks nearby. Okay, the application will search and connect it itself. Done. Okay, now this lock connected. So how to unlock by the phone? First, you need to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, touch it and slide. Unlock. Very simple. And now you can set up the finger and the password and the card. There are 2 ways to set up. The first way is you can set up inside the application. Member management and touch. Look, fingerprint, code, card. Okay, touch end and touch here.
Add master user.
Read your finger.
Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. Succeeded.
Succeeded. Now the finger registered successful. Touch OK. And now and the code. Touch random. Okay, this code created successfully. And touch save. Succeeded. And now end card. And touch end.
Add master user.
And read the card between 2738, this area.
Succeeded.
And press OK. So let's operate on the lock. On this lock, star is confirmed, 0 is returned to the previous step. Press 0 and start.
Please verify master user.
Okay, read the fingerprint you just register by the phone.
Succeeded. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System setting. 4. Networking. 5. System query.
Okay, 1.
1. Add master user. 2. Add normal user.
And normal user.
Add normal user.
Okay, now register finger.
Please input again.
Each time read different area of your same finger.
Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. Succeeded. 1. Add master user. 2. Add normal user. Succeeded. 1. Add master user. 2. Add normal user.
Okay, return.
Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System setting. 4. Networking. 5. System query. 1. Unlock setting. 2. Voice setting. 3. Language setting. 4. Time setting. 5. Resetting.
5 is reset, means you can reset lock in the factory mode.
1. Add user.
Look,
2.
press
Delete
0
user.
to return.